Good morning, children. Today we will be doing uh, a new lesson, that is formation of adverbs in grammar. Now, as you know, what is an adverb? You know, an adverb describes a noun. Yes. See, the verb is there in this, so it adds or tells you more about a verb. Now, in this lesson, this is what you learned till the seventh. Now, in the eighth, you will learn a little more about adverbs. So, let's see what it is, and we'll see how you form these adverbs also, or how you identify. Rather, in this lesson, it's more like identifying an adverb. Okay, an adverb is a word or a phrase that tells you more about a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. So, here you see, till now in the seventh, you learn only an adverb tells you more about a verb or an action. Now you know an adverb tells you more about an adjective also and also another adverb. So one adverb describes another adverb, one adverb describes a verb, and it also describes an adjective. So you should remember, adverb describes a verb, adjective, adverb. You should repeat it 3 times. Adverb describes a verb, adjective, adverb. Adverb describes a verb, adjective, adverb. That's how you will remember it. If you, I'm just repeated 3 times. If you cannot remember, repeat it again, because that will help you to identify the adverb. Others you will not be able to do so. Okay. It could also tell you more about an entire sentence. So it not only tells you about a verb, an adjective, or an adverb, it can also tell you about a full sentence. It expresses, now what it tells you? It expresses a relation of place. So it tells you where, maybe an action. You're talking of an action, correct? So where the action took place, time, when the action took place, circumstances, under what circumstances the action took place, in what manner the action took place, the reason of the action, the degree of the action. It tells you about all this. Like for example, gently, quite, then, there, etc. Examples of adverbs in sentences. They bent slightly. Now, if you see what is it, the action is bent. How did they bend? Slightly. Okay. So it tells you more about the verb bent. Your action is bent. So it's telling you more about the verb bent. That is very strange. So, what is your adverb bent? Now, what is it telling you more about the adjective strange? How strange? Very strange. Strange is the adjective. It's describing something. So, it's telling you that it is how strange, very strange. How the degree, how strange it was. Okay. Two boys were lying close together. Here, the adverb is close. So it tells you more about the adverb together. Now, together itself is an adverb. Together itself is an adverb. Yes, they were lying. Why? It's telling you this is your verb, and this is telling you they were lying where? Together. Okay, how they were lying? They were lying together. Now, how they were lying together? Close. So this close is telling you more about this adverb together. Next one. Luckily they were able to slip back. So this verb, this adverb, luckily, tells you about the whole sentence. Now how does it tell you about the whole sentence? You see, they were able to slip back. So that is what happened in the whole sentence. Now it tells you how it happened. It happened luckily for them. Okay, so it tells you how it happened luckily for them. That's why it's telling you more about this whole thing that happened in the whole sentence. So it is an adverb. Now let's go some facts about adverbs. Many adverbs end in ly. Most of the adverbs end in ly. However, there are quite a few adverbs that do not end in ly, such as now, rather, so, yesterday, to, also, there, well, etc. So these are the adverbs that do not end in ly. Do not confuse an adverb with preposition. So what is the difference between an adverb and a preposition? That's what we will see now in this point. Even though the word is same, in one sentence it acts as an adverb, in the other sentence it acts as a preposition. The preposition is always followed by a noun or a pronoun. The adverb is not. So, after a preposition, you will have a noun or a pronoun. Like say, he jumped in. Okay. So he jumped in is your adverb. Where did he jump? He jumped in. But if you see he jumped in the box, so you have the noun the box after in. So there it becomes a preposition. Okay. So if there is a noun or a pronoun after the adverb, whatever word you think is an adverb, then it is not an adverb, it is a preposition. Examples. Okay, here the examples are he threw the ball down. So if you see, the same action, same word, he threw the ball down. Here it's just telling you about the action through where he threw it down. Right? There is no noun after this. There is no pronoun after this. Now let's see the second example. He threw the ball down the stairs. So here you're not just saying down, you're saying down the stairs. Here, the stairs is a noun over here. So after this, what you think is an adverb, if there is a noun after that, it is not an adverb, it is a preposition. Clear? See here there was nothing else more. No noun after this. No pronoun after this. So it is an adverb. Well as here you have a noun, the stairs. So it is a preposition. Second example. We all went in. So here after the word in, do you have any noun? No. So it is an adverb. Where did you go? You went in. This is your action. Went. Correct? Next, we all went in the room. So here it's telling you, it's naming the place where you went in. You went in the room. So here there is a noun after this word that you think is an adverb. So it is not an adverb anymore. It is a preposition. Let's go to the next. Many adjectives can be used as adverbs. To know the difference in use, remember that an adjective qualifies a noun, while as an adverb tells you more about a verb. So, telling you the example, even adjectives can be used as adverbs. But remember, adjective describes a noun. So, if you have an adjective, you think it's an adjective, but there is no noun which it is describing, that means it is an adverb. Okay. Now let's see the examples. It is hard work. Okay. So now if you see the word after this, after the word hard, work. Here you're telling that something is hard. Remember I told you something or someone. If you have something or someone, that means you are describing a noun. So this something is hard. What is hard? Work is hard. So this is a noun. So when you have a noun after this, it is an adjective. Now let's see the second example using the same word hard. He worked hard all day. So here it's showing you an action, worked. How did he work? Hard. So here it's describing the action worked. So it is an adverb. Here it is describing the noun work. Okay. So it is an adjective. Next sentence. We took a fast train to Bandra. Now, took is your action. Is it telling you how you took? No. This fast is describing the train. How was the train? Train was fast. And train is a noun. Train is a noun. So it's not describing a verb. It's describing a noun. So it becomes an adjective. Next one. He walks fast. So what is the action over here? Walks. Same word. You see fast is here, fast is here. But this fast is describing the action walk. So how does he walk? He walks fast. So here it is an adverb. Okay. So we go now. It's quite clear. We'll do the exercise. I'll tell you how to do one or two, and then you can, if I think some are a little difficult, then I'll tell you how to do it. Otherwise, it's quite easy. You can do it. Underline the adverb. You only have to pick the adverb and underline it. Dreams really do come true. So, what is the adverb over here? Really. Yes. The action over here is one. Okay. So the next one, he had nowhere to sleep. Next one, we will journey together. He was to remember here on this, it describes an adjective also and also another adverb. So don't just look out for action. Okay. Next, we will journey together. Yes, he was too weak to look further for food. Here, in some sentences, there are two. Like in this, there are two words that you need to underline. So look out properly. Don't just be happy. I underlined one. Ah, wow. And mostly in the exams, I will give you a sentence. If you only have to underline, I will give you a sentence mostly where there will be two words, not just one. So I'm not going to give you 1 mark for just underlining one word. So there will be mostly two words to underline in the sentence. Clear? Now you're in the eighth. Hmm. So always don't just underline one and be happy. Look out and see if there is another one. Okay, I humbly seek your permission to voice my suggestion. The cat chased away all the rats and mice. Feed him first. They kept him awake. John was able to sleep peacefully. Why waste your time in building here? You never again will pass this way. She went straight to the courtyard to see her plans. Later, she had been busy inside the house. Now, here sometimes remember the sentence starts with an adverb, okay? They all laughed louder. He wholeheartedly believes in equality. Turn thy hasty foot aside. Our achievements are being globally recognized today. I feel quite warm. Are there people in the world foolish enough to die because of leaves dropping off from a vine? Last one, a cold rain was falling continuously mingled with snow. Mingled means mixed. Okay. Next one, fill in the blanks by choosing adverbs from the box. First, okay, let me read the words first. Away, carelessly, forth. Never, now, off, out, there. First one, let them be brought. Now, when you have only 8 words given, so there are no extra words. Maybe in the exam, if I may give you some extra words. So you will have to really think. Yes, don't just choose or just guesswork and choose. Think. Read the sentence after you have chosen the word and see whether it sounds right. See whether that word is helping you to describe some action, some adjective, or another adverb. Okay. Let them be brought. Dash. The little boy would run dash into the field. Dash used. They can cut a finger. I will dash forget you. The swallow pulled dash the gold. You cannot lie dash. We have bread dash. They threw it dash with the dead bird. So I don't think there is any more. Yes, this is the end of your lesson. And I do hope you can do it because it's not very difficult. This is something that you all are familiar with. Yes, so and I hope you'll do it all right. So wishing you all a good day. And if you have any doubt, you can anytime message me. Thank you.